Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with lentils. Lentils are incredibly versatile and packed with nutrients. You'll find several types, each with unique characteristics. Green and brown lentils are fantastic for dishes where you want them to hold their shape, like salads or hearty stews. Red and yellow varieties cook down quickly, becoming wonderfully creamy, making them perfect for smooth soups and purees. Black lentils, often called beluga, also maintain their form and offer a rich, earthy taste. Understanding these differences is key to successful lentil cooking. Before cooking, always rinse your lentils thoroughly under cold water. It's also a good idea to quickly pick through them to remove any small stones or debris that might be present. For cooking, a general rule of thumb is to use a 3-to-1 ratio of liquid to lentils. That's 3 cups of water or broth for every 1 cup of dry lentils. Cooking times vary. Red lentils might be ready in just 15 to 20 minutes, while green or brown varieties typically take 25 to 30 minutes to become tender. To truly elevate the flavor of your lentils, consider adding aromatics right from the start. Sautéing diced onion, garlic, and carrots in your pot before adding the lentils and liquid creates a delicious base. Fresh or dried herbs like bay leaves, thyme, and rosemary infuse a wonderful aroma. For a more exotic touch, spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric work beautifully. Remember to add salt towards the end of the cooking process, as adding it too early can sometimes make the lentils tough. Lentils are incredibly adaptable in the kitchen. They shine in hearty soups, vibrant salads, and rich curries. You can even use them as a fantastic plant-based alternative in dishes like veggie burgers or savory tacos. Once cooked, storing your lentils is simple. Keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they'll stay fresh for up to 5 days. For longer storage, cooked lentils freeze exceptionally well for up to 3 months, making meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.